All right. Well, we are with Young Kim today, Stage Interior. They serve the DC, all the area there. And Young, you'll have to get specific, but you guys have an incredible company. You have a full service team, an incredible operation there, thanks to you and your lovely wife, Trish. So, welcome to the show. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, and thank you for this opportunity. And in terms of our business, we started this business back in 2006. Trish being the creative director, and I'm being the operations side. And I think the combination of that always been a good foundation for us to reach where we are right now. Thank you for this opportunity, and we love to share what we have gone through and give some encouragement to either new stagers that are being starting their business or the seasoned ones. And we are still learning new things even at this stage. And
Yeah.
that's very, very exciting.
Well, we're always learning, we're always growing, we're always sharing, and you guys are part of our HSRA family. Tell us a little bit about, your company, where it is today, as far as maybe the numbers, as volume, the team size, a little bit about the areas that you serve as well, and your most profitable services that you do offer.
Sure, absolutely. As we started this business in 2006, we never planned to be where we are right now. So it's 2020, 14, 15 years later. We have 17 team members, including Trish and me. And we are operating out of a 21,000 square foot warehouse and tiny bit of a office. And we are located in Fairfax County. We serve mainly Northern Virginia, parts of DC and Maryland. But for our repeat realtors, the loyal realtors and builders, we will go anywhere. And a couple of months ago, we were in Delaware, Rehoboth Beach, and then also Harrisonburg, Virginia, which is about 2 hours away. These are for our repeat builders, so we'll go anywhere. So in terms of the business, last year we did 285 full staging projects. And in Northern Virginia, our project sizes are quite sizable. We did 80% either vacant resale or builder-spec homes, 20% occupies, and we are trying to scale that number of occupies down considerably, only serving our repeat realtors. And if it is a new realtors, we are trying to shy away from it. So we did 285 stagings in 2019, 260 de-stagings. What that means is, like your company, the teams are out there day in and day out, very, very efficient, very, very dedicated team members, and we put together really great processes and procedures to be able to do this. So I can say that even though we have not planned to be where we are truly blessed to have our current team members who are dedicated, and our clients who are really repeat clients who are coming back to make this happen every day. So.
I love it. I love it. And Young, you're really the glue that holds everything together. It wasn't long after we met, and I was, in your business saying, okay, who's answering the phone? Who is, what are you doing? What is your wife doing? How do we get you guys to be true business owners where the business can run without you? And you are on your way. You let that phone go, and then here we go. We get hit by the Mack truck of crisis.
That's right.
We all, mainly as business owners that had pulled away a bit, or at least focused on strategic, thinking and working on our business. Now, all of a sudden, we're in that back just a little bit. What has this journey been like for you and Miss Trish, as you guys have come out of crisis and really going through it as a team together?
Yeah. So we always knew that our focus and our strength is staging. And Trish loves staging, and our creative team members, they love staging, and then some parts of the inventory organization that comes with it. So they are really, really dedicated. Now, for in terms of the challenges that we have gone through, especially during this COVID-19 season, we never shut down the company. And when you think about it, the realtors and the builders, they still need to sell the house. The buyers, even though some of them are not in the market anymore, but some of them still have to buy the house. So we are in the real estate business, we are in moving company business, so we are essential. So for as of last Sunday, in terms of number of staging, we are down about 20%, but the revenues is down only 1.3%, but the net income is up 31%. So what that means is during this time, we have gone through some restructuring and put a different systems in place. And also we are watching our numbers in terms of expenses. And so we believe we are running a little bit more leaner company. In terms of numbers, yeah, exactly, leaner company, and nobody has missed a paycheck. So that is a true blessing. And just looking back, we are not sure how it happened, but it's a true blessing from the Lord.
Yes, you're absolutely right, and just keeping our clients moving forward, doing what we can. We can feel safe and secure, team safe and secure, but just continuing to be that source of hope for our clients and solution is huge. And what are your plans as we move out of this? You specifically as running this organization to a degree, mainly office sales. You've got your team of support there. How do you see yourself on the other side of this personally?
Yeah. Well, you talked about my answering the sales call earlier, and when we first met, you couldn't believe that I was still answering the call. And yes, I do have personal phone now, and the call is answered by our team, our admin team here. So just looking back, just continuously as we move forward. Just continuously refine the processes and looking at the numbers, becoming a better leader based on training from HSRA and all the books, leadership books that you recommended, and then just going back and learning it over and over again. And in terms of pivoting, the only thing that we really did during this time is we changed from doing 1 month minimum. We are still doing, we are offering 2 months staging for the 1 month minimum, because of the slowness during the early stages of this COVID. And the slow sale is not here anymore. I mean, everything is selling so fast with $100,000 over asking price. So that is the only pivoting that we did. We might keep that because things are selling so quickly. The free second month really doesn't mean that much.
There you go.
Yeah. So we are able to retain more businesses. And in terms of also pivoting, because some other staging companies are not staging anymore, I think this is part of the encouragement that I would like to give other stagers, or especially the ones who have been around for a while, is that having that reputation and good relationship with other staging companies is crucial, because they are referring all of their, at least one particular situation, referring their really, really valued clients to us. So there's a company almost as long as we've been in business, and she decided that she's not going to stage anymore. So we are taking care of her clients. So having that peer-to-peer reputation and relationship is also golden in our industry. Sometimes we see it as a competition, right?
That's right.
But
And you
yeah,
bring up a really great point is it is about relationships, not only with our clients, but with our fellow staging teams and redesign, whatever that looks like to be able to have a referral program and help each other during this time is vital. It's crucial with inventory, with possible even buyout situations with those referrals. It is definitely opportunity, and it's also being a help in time of need. So that's really, really great. Well, if you think through now that you guys are on the other side and you've obviously had to, I guess you could say, jump in. You've been out in the field when you've needed to. You haven't you've been a true leader during this time. Of course, Trish, continuing on with what she does and filling in the gaps. What do you say during this time? How have you become that better leader? How has this crisis made you better and stronger?
um, learning to wear the other person's shoes, be in that shoes. And a lot of times as an operations manager, you really don't understand. Well, actually, I do understand, but I have forgotten what it takes to execute a staging and destaging process. And due to a certain situation that for 1 week I was out there staging, destaging, hanging and packing and all of that. And I told our team members, you know what? It is a crucial for me to come out and be with you and then actually do these things at least once a month, if not more frequently, just to be the encouragement, my being there and learning what they're going through. Even though mechanically I understand all of that, but I want to be there for them, with them. Yeah, maybe they don't want me there, but I think it is really, really valuable for me to be there. I think it'll be an encouragement. And Trish is always out there. She has never not done staging, so she's always out there. So, and during this season, just everybody jumped in. They were already wearing multiple hats, but the number of hats grew as we are supporting each other. So it's been a really, really blessed experience overall.
Yes, I don't think any of us could have hoped or wished for this, but coming out of this, really figuring out what is important, what our value proposition is within our companies, and our team that has stuck through the process and really dug deep and filled in gaps where they've needed to, when they could have said, you know what, I don't think this is for me anymore. They really dug deep, and we as business owners that were able to think creatively, think outside of the box, and know that this is critical, like go time.
Yeah,
like
sure.
what are we going to do? We're met with all of these decisions that we have to make, many of them on the spot, and I think leadership is developed in those tough times.
Yeah. We ran this business, let's say, until maybe 2 years ago without mission statement. And because of the nudging from you, so we developed a mission statement, and it is enriching lives through impactful creativity. So we are a staging company, but at the end of the day, are we enriching other people's lives? And that we are talking about realtors, builders, and the clients, but also our team members. We want to be there each other to enriching each other's lives as we serve the community. So our team, as we are having regular alignment meetings, so we talk about our mission and we talk about our core values on a regular basis. And that teaching all came from you. So.
Well, and we would love to take the credit. We just had really good models before us that we said, this is a principle. It's like a business principle that is foundational, that can grow and develop and be that core stabilizer within our company during the turmoil, during the storms that come during crisis. It really can be the glue that
Sure.
sticks us together in our fundamentals. So I love it. I love that you guys have like jumped in with both feet. You've continued to learn. You haven't said, oh, we're too big to hear from anyone else, but you're always asking, there's got to be a better way, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
That's great. Well, we wish you guys the best. Of course, we're going to be together probably sooner than later. I know we're all due for a vacation, a little bit of a mastermind and some strategy time. And we just wish you guys like new growth on the other side of this that we could not have even imagined or planned. And I know that you guys and your team will be blessed for that.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for this opportunity. Can't wait to see you and other HSRA family members face to face.
There you go. Well, thanks, Young. We appreciate it.
Thanks. Bye.